Getman Corporation manufactures a complete line of underground production support vehicles, with the A64 slider truck fitting into the broad range of our scissor product line. Our lineup of scissor lift trucks includes our standard scissor lift, our narrow scissor lift, our fold-down wing scissor lift, our slider scissor lift, our hanger scissor lift, and our 6-meter scissor lift. The scissor lift product line is designed to increase productivity during mine development by facilitating safer, faster, and more efficient installation of pipe sections, as well as other general back and rib work throughout underground mining operations. Getman sliders are built on the A64 chassis, providing component and system commonality with the entire range of Getman underground mining vehicles. This reduces maintenance training and inventory carrying requirements throughout a fleet of Getman equipment. The slider platform is ANSI CSA and AS certified and provides capacity up to 6,000 pounds. The 2.1 meter by 3.4 meter sliding platform enlarges the work area to 3.3 meter by 3.4 meter, increasing roof coverage access and reducing the number of setups needed at each section. Platform controls can be accessed on the scissor deck for ease of operation and safety. All Getman scissor lifts are equipped with engine start-stop and fire suppression actuation controls. Fall arrest anchor points are located on the non-slip platform for secure cargo and ensuring operator safety. Stability for the slider truck is provided through 4 48-inch leveling jacks, which can level the scissor lift on grades up to 12%. Controls for the leveling jacks are safely located in the operator compartment while elevating the machine. Additional options for the slider truck include counterbalance valves on the primary lift cylinders to prevent lowering in the event of damage to the hydraulic system, as well as an emergency hand pump lowering package for lowering the deck in the event of engine failure. A MineAir-powered electric over hydraulic option is also available for operating the scissor lift functions without the diesel engine. Getman sliders are part of the A64 production support product line, one of 3 lines produced by Getman Corporation for hard rock mines worldwide, including our concrete spraying and transport product lines and our mechanical scaling product line.